Welcome back everyone. You may be having an issue with your Xbox where for some reason it just keeps disconnecting you from your Wi-Fi. Now again, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The first thing I'd recommend doing, you actually want to make sure that your Xbox isn't even the problem. Sometimes the Wi-Fi router may end up being the issue here. So what I'd recommend doing is checking out any other devices that you have that have Wi-Fi connected to them, such as iPhones, Androids, iPads, other things. And you want to go ahead if those devices are also randomly disconnecting from Wi-Fi as well. Sometimes that can really be the issue, that your Wi-Fi router may be the problem, and it may not even be your, specific Xbox anyway. So if you see the other devices and those devices are also disconnecting randomly, well, it's your Wi-Fi router, you're going to have to fix it. But if it's not disconnecting and it still looks like your Xbox is the problem, what I'd recommend doing then is to actually double check with your specific Xbox network settings. So you want to go inside of your Xbox settings, you want to go into your Wi-Fi connection settings, you know how to go there, and all you want to do there is just try to go ahead and disconnect from that Wi-Fi connection and reconnect to it. Sometimes it can be as easy as this, and anytime I've had any issues with network connections, typically this is how I fix it. Sometimes there's just some weird stuff in the back end, and sometimes all you have to do is just go ahead and disconnect from that Wi-Fi connection and try going back into it. And randomly that may end up fixing it for you. If that still doesn't fix it, I would probably recommend rebooting your Wi-Fi, aka your Wi-Fi router, and rebooting your Xbox as well. So go ahead and start off by rebooting your Wi-Fi router, seeing if that works. If it doesn't, try rebooting your Xbox and see if that works. If that still doesn't work, you may actually want to double check the game that you're playing. Sometimes you may be in the middle of a game and randomly the servers on their side may end up going out, and maybe you're thinking that it's your Wi-Fi router. So maybe your connection is perfectly fine, but sometimes the games that you're playing with, like if you're playing like Halo Online or any of these games online, there can be some issues where randomly those games are the issues and it's not even your Wi-Fi router. So that can be another thing to look into. Ultimately, if you can, I would recommend try updating your Xbox, seeing if that works. If not, you could try doing a wired connection if your Wi-Fi connection, if you think is the problem, and that may end up fixing it for you. So those are pretty much the main ways to do it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.